Hi guys, Beerbird here from Two Buddies. This is the self-centering tool that I made. I thought I'd make a quick video to show how I made it. No more marking out and measuring to find that center line. All you got to do is pop this bad boy on and you've got your center line in seconds. All you need for this project is a piece of flat bar, a center punch or marking pin, and some pins to either weld on or bolt on the end of the flat bar. Start off by measuring 2 points at either side of the flat bar. Now it doesn't matter exactly where those points are because that's not the important part. The important part is next. This is where we measure between those 2 points to find dead center. This is going to be our center point every single time we use this tool. Now you could just drill and tap and bolt those 8mm bolts to the end of your flat bar, but because I got these nice looking pins, I'm going to use them instead. Right, so that's it, all completed. All we're going to do now is give it a test. Well, great guys, so that's it. Tool works absolutely perfect. Hopefully this has inspired you guys for some future builds, speed things up at the very least. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.